It's caught in the crossfire.
When you step off the elevator, what is your first experience? Size does matter.
You're getting an exclusive look inside Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos' brand new penthouse. Before the richest man in the world paid $80 million for this unit, plus the 2 apartments below, CNBC got an exclusive tour with broker Nikki Field. The sprawling 10,000 square foot penthouse alone has 5 bedrooms, including a massive 7-room master suite.
The master bathroom has a priceless view of the Empire State Building from the master tub.
When we toured it, the master was furnished with a $5,000 Bentley dog bed. One level up is the triplex's sunlit lounge. Just past the $23,000 glass foosball table is a 5,000 square foot wraparound terrace. A private elevator to the 3rd level reveals another lounge, plus even more outdoor space.
This is what we refer to as view envy.